What's poppin'? Mayhem Goddess Crew. In today's video, I will be going over the Urban Decay Wired collection, so you already know what you gotta do. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know about almost the full collection, and I'm saying almost the full collection, and how I achieved this look, then subscribe and keep on watching. So Urban Decay has released their new Wired collection. I have damn near picked up almost the whole collection. Almost, all except for a few colors here and there. But I almost picked up the full collection to review for you. So let's go on ahead and get this popping. So let's start with the eyeshadow palette first. The eyeshadow palette retails for $39. Comes in this a really cute, vibrant, all black, but the letters are vibrant on the palette. And you know, I've done some swatches for you. So inside you have the mirror, and this particular palette does not come with a brush. Usually Urban Decay sends a brush with their collections or with their eyeshadow palettes, but they didn't with this one. So starting from top row to bottom row, we have Glitch, Chaos, Shock, Gravity, Savage. And for the bottom row, it's Fluorescent, Current, Jolt, Switch, and Slow Burn. And for their new gel eyeliners, I have picked up only 4 of them, but they're still in the same Wired collection. So the colors that we have going on today: Jolt, Vivid, Shock, Amped. For the double-ended eyeliner and top coat, I've only picked up 3 of them, and those also retail for $22. And I don't know if I said it for the gel eyeliners. Each one of those is $22 as well. So just know if you get some of these or the gel eyeliners, you're not getting 4 for $20. Yeah, each one is $22. Colors that we have for the double-ended eyeliner and top coat are Fuse with the green shift, High Voltage with the purple shift, and Circuit with the gold shift. Now, the eyeliners in the packaging is all black. They're all black, so they're not different. What are different are the other sides of the eyeliner. So when you take it out the package, you can smudge it over your black eyeliner and it changes the color of it. And so far as with the lip lasting glossy tint in the Wired collection, I've only picked up 4 of those as well, and those retail for $22 each as well. So the colors I have picked up is Gravity, Wire, Switch, and X-Ray. So the first color I want to dip into is this color called Switch, and yes, the eyes are already primed. We should know this by now. So we're going to take that and place it up here at the top. Now with a fluffy brush, we're going to go into this blue color. I told you I wasn't holding back no more. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. And this color is called Chaos, and we're going to apply that in the crease and start to blend it up. Now that we have that done, go on ahead and get your makeup base or whatever you're going to use to cut your crease, because we're going to lay down this white. I was inspired by our Bronco team, our football team. I'm not a big football-ish person, so I thought orange and blue and white, why not? So go ahead and half cut your crease, and then after that we'll come with the next layer. Now taking the color Glitch, which is this white color, we are going to apply that. Say it with me. We know this already. Say it. In the blank pieces. Now let's go back into that same color called Chaos, which is a gorgeous blue color, and we are going to put that on the outer V and blend the white and blue together. Interquarter highlight, we are going to go into this color called Jolt, which is this green color, and we're going to pop that right here. We're gonna take this really pretty the pastel-y blue called Fluorescent, and that is going to go on our bottom lash line. Using the double-ended eyeliner in the color Fuse, which is this green color right here, we're gonna line the eyes first. So make sure you get this pretty precise, because it's on there, which is like this liquid liner, so there's like almost no room for mistakes. I'm just letting you know. Now taking the other end of the eyeliner, which is the actual transform part, you're going to tap that color onto the black pieces, and then it's going to change it to green. I don't know if you can see that on this side, but as you can tell, it's changing the color of the black. Taking their new gel eyeliner, and this is in the color Shocked. I'm going to apply that in the waterline. So for lips today, I really don't know which one I want to go with. I feel like if I use Gravity, which is a purple color, it'll just make me look like I'm sick. And if I use X-Ray, which is like that plum brownish color, I feel like that would make me look like I just been eating a whole bunch of chocolate and I didn't take it off my lips. And Wire is very traditional, which is like a red color. And Switch is orange. You know what? The hell with it. Let's go on ahead and apply X-Ray. So because I'm not feeling the X-Ray, I'm going to go ahead and go for the purple, but I think it's kind of too late because I think it's already stained my lips. It is a lip tint, so yeah. Okay, so let's go on ahead and talk about this situation right here. Where do I begin? I most definitely do not feel like this is one of Urban Decay's stronger collections. Let me start off talking about the palette first. So the palette is cute with all, within itself, but for $39, I expected at least this blue not to be patchy when I put it on. I feel like the color could be stronger, although that blue is pigmented, but I noticed when I was blending it, it was coming off. It was patchy. I definitely feel like the colors in the palette are more, I don't even know what the word is, pastel. I don't even think it's pastel. They're just not as vibrant as I would like them to be. I've had plenty of other Urban Decay palettes and they did not do what this one did, and also you don't get a brush with it. Usually with Urban Decay you get your brushes with it, but they didn't provide one in this palette. Now for the double-ended eyeliners, honestly I feel like you can do this yourself. You can get some liquid eyeliner and you get a loose pigment and put it on top of there and it can do the same exact thing. I just feel like this was uncalled for. I don't like the eyeliner within itself. I've never used Urban Decay's eyeliner. This would be my first time because my jam is in gloss. But this eyeliner, it skips, the brush skips when you put it as on your eyelids, so you get these nice little line skip. I think this could be a pretty cool product to wear on its own, but if you are trying to do a look so far as what I have done, I don't think it's a good idea to do it with eyeshadow because you really can't see it. It's a no-go for me on the eyeliner as well. Now, so far as their gel eyeliners that I put in my waterline, I'm sorry. The whole collection, let's just put it this way. I'm going to be very real and honest with you. The whole collection is a no-go for me. I don't think these are worth $22. I say more like $5. I don't think that this palette should have been $32 or $39. I could have settled for about 15 because of the type of pigmentation that I was getting. And so far as the double-ended eyeliner, I ain't feeling that either because I feel like you could do the same thing with some regular eyeliner and some loose eyeshadow that you really like and get a way better payoff than what I got. So, and so far as the lip tints, the colors that I got, I'm kind of feeling the purple, but the brown kind of made me look like I was a zombie, and I'm kind of scared to wipe the purple off because I feel like the purple will look like I am I've been outside too long and I got hypothermia. So I think if you're gonna get any of the lip tints, I would go with the kind of coral color and the red color. All in all, I feel like it's not even worth it. Like, try it if you want to. To me, my opinion, just my opinion, is not set in stone. Maybe you like these type of colors and you like the pastel and not very big and vibrant, but I'm gonna let you know, if you get the palette and you use the blue, or I believe I did the blue and the pink. I did the pink last night. They are very patchy and it will come off on you. So don't say I didn't warn you.